Hello guys, I just wanted to review this product. This is a very handy product, I guess, because I always keep a separate hard drive. Uh, you can say I have to store something and such thing as well. So this is a adapter, you can call it, through which you can make your connect your hard drive to your computer and store data in it, or access data from it. And this device is sort of easy, and I think it will cost around $9. So what you get is that the basic cover, in which you can put your hard drive or SSDs. It can't be opened, like it's already, I opened it. Yep. And you can place your hard drive. Yeah, you can see there's an opening. You can place your hard drive in this manner. Actually, firstly, what you have to do is that what you get with it is a, you can call it an adapter and a cable. So if you want, you can put your hard drive in this box if you carry it around you. This is a hard box, so your hard drive will be safe. If accidentally drops, the hard drive will be safe and nothing will happen to the hard drive. So if you want to connect it to your laptop or any computer or device, this is an adapter. So what you do is that, if I can show you, yep, connect this adapter with the hard drive, and this is the USB type thing you get, and you connect it to the with your hard drive, and this is the USB 2.0, sorry, 3.0, and you can connect it with your computer. If I can, let me show you. So here is a computer. And you can put it in this cover if you like, and when you connect it with your laptop, you can see it starts blinking. It has a light which shows that it has been connected properly, and just a minute. Yep, this might be good. So I have kept a window in it, but you can put your anything you want, your media, music, or your office files, whatever you like. So I thought to share with you all that this is a good device if you want. So if you have another hard drive which you want to use, as you can say, as an external hard drive, So you can buy external hard drives that are available in the market. But in my situation, you can say I have 2 or 3 hard drives which I usually replace in my computer. So uh, taking an external hard drive might not work for me. So what I did was buy this. Uh, I can show you again. It's a WD element basic storage supplement, and what supplement, sorry, supplement. And if it can focus, yep. So it is compatible with almost all the Windows XP 7, 8, 10. So if you don't carry external portable hard drives, or if you have these hard drives or SSD which internal internally fits in your laptop, you can buy this connector as it comes with it, cable, so you can use it when you want and put it in your computer, or when without your computer you can store data in it, or anything else you want. Just wanted to share with you. Hope I will be bringing, if and any other stuff I find and which I find it useful, I will be sharing with you. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. That will be that will make me happy if you. So thank you guys.